So that'll just come out in 2 pieces. This is the part we need here with the lock. You push down on that black tab, that will release that. There, like that. Okay, so I find this next bit, my brain doesn't like it, it's like counterintuitive, but anyway, put your spring into the hole so that the spring is facing the same way as the handle. So you've got this line and this line, and then there'll be a slot where it will drop in right there. See, no, that's not what we want. See how that wants to go backwards? You don't want that. You want it so that the spring drops in, and now it's springing that way. See how that's springing to the left? If I let it go. Right. Now to get it in, push that sucker around to the right. It's a sharp little thing too. Alright, I'm probably making this look harder than it actually is. I'm looking through the phone screen. So you'll see here I've gone in, I'm holding that, retaining that spring. As I send it up, she's now got tension on her right there. And I found that to be the hardest part. What you can do is just open it to there. This is how I get mine in. Get this, send it in there, and see, it will straddle over that. Give it a little shaky, a little pushy. And then from here, it's just got that retainer clip at the back. Clip, we're in. No, we're not. Yes, we are. No, we're not. Yes, we are. There we go. Just have to rotate the barrel, just as if the key would do it. So now we're back. Okay, so I've got this one back in, and this fucker, what a fucker. Okay, this is what I do. I push the handle up. I get it to where, oh fuck me, how bad's my videoing? And you gotta go over here. If anyone wants to shout me a chest mounted GoPro, that'd be good. That's fucked. I can't do it one-handed. Hang on. Righto, got it in. So look, when you try and put this in, have this handle straight up. I found that easier. These cogs here, you have to push this down with your thumb and then line up. If it's not working, if the handle on the other side is not working, it's because those cogs there have not set down into those low ones. You've got it up too high, and that's how it gets its little springiness. Okay, we're on. So we've got springy, and we've got turny, and don't forget to get that down to put the hidden screw in. Let's see if I can focus on that. iPhone 7. To get that down, you've got to push that to get to that. Alright, and so hopefully push that back up when you're done. Hopefully I helped you. Boop, 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 boop.